Hello everyone, I'm Priyanshu Singh from class 8C from City Montessori School, Kompty Nagar Campus 1. And today I've taken up this topic, standard identities, and I'll be teaching you this. And we have taken only one standard identity out of the three standard identities that we have in arithmetics. And the identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first thing which I'll be telling you is, why do we need identities? Why do we need them in our calculations? The answer is that if we don't have identities, then we'll have to do unnecessarily long and lengthy work, which is not at all required. So in this next page which I've created, I've written about the derivation. This will help you understand better the concept of identities and why they're used and how they're derived. So I've taken a plus b whole square is equal to a plus b into a plus b in bracket. That is a into a plus b in bracket plus b into a plus b in bracket. So that's how we're solving this, because like this is what you will have to do if you don't use an identity. And this is also the derivation, and this is also what you have to do, how lengthy your work will become if you don't use identities in your calculations wherever they're required. You will have to do all these extra steps apart from this one. After the work after this, you have to do that as well, and these extra steps as well. So how this has been derived: a plus a into a plus b in bracket plus b into a plus b in bracket. Then it simply makes it a square plus ab plus ab plus b square. So I've added up the ab and ab because they are like terms, and it becomes 2ab, and just got our derivation like that. Now I've also created an example which is a very simple one, because I have used extremely simple numbers in that. That's 5 and 2 for the values of a and b respectively. And see, I've written extremely easy here because this is actually very easy, and we'll start with it. So first thing, how can you write 5 plus 2 in bracket and do 5 plus 2 in bracket? You can write it as 5 plus 2 whole square. And you just see a plus b whole square. So don't you think that both of these are similar? Yes, they are totally same, not similar. So now we can easily use that identity that we have, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we have to simply input the values of a and b, and our work is done. 5 plus 2 whole square is equals to 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 2 plus 2 square. That is equal to 25 plus 20 plus 4, which is equal to 49. So just like that, so easily we have got the answer and just done. So thank you for hearing to me, and the video is getting really long, so I'll have to stop now. Otherwise, I would have liked to explain more. But thank you, and Jai Jagat.